All right.
Took me about a year to get that embarrassing.
You know what's a
That's similar to
good technique?
He would eat you up.
Mommy, all these stuff are real?
He would eat you up.
SpongeBob. SpongeBob. Look at this.
Yeah,
What's that?
turtle shell. That's a turtle shell?
It's a massive sponge.
That's a So is this. What's that?
Cool, huh? Careful.
Watch out.
Watch out, guys.
Cool feather.
Let's go look at the other things. Look here at these skeleton sea turtle.
I do remember
Snapping
that,
turtle.
exactly. Now, I graduated from Miami.
No, as a red.
And
Leave that
FIU.
alone.
And Florida Power and Light paid for my education. Yes, it is.
That's cool.
You're
It's a
welcome.
snapping turtle, right?
This is a loggerhead turtle, and they eat grass. It's
Oh,
in
cool.
this picture up here.
Oh, okay.
That's a
This-
huge head.
Yeah, it's big.
They don't have any teeth.
No
And
teeth.
this is kind of like your nose. No teeth. They eat the grass out there in the brown water.
Right.
This is a bottlenose dolphin.
Oh,
Flipper?
cool.
Heard of flipper before? This is a manatee.
Oh, wow. That's
Manatee
interesting.
is up here in this right-hand picture. They have teeth like we do, but they
Yeah.
also have a mouth and a palate just like the turtle does. They
Stop,
eat
Michael, don't
grass
pull this
too.
down. You don't just
Grind
put this
it up.
down.
And they don't need a dentist because they have continuing teeth in the
Oh,
back
wow.
of their
Look
jaw.
at that.
So when these teeth up front wear out, they come up like a railroad train.
forward?
They just move forward.
That's funny.
Exactly.
That's cool.
If we were prehistoric, maybe we wouldn't need
That'll
a
be
dentist.
That'd be nice to have enough to
What's that?
That's a fish.
What's that?
That's a very good fish. Some people call that a mahi-mahi,
Oh,
but we call
stop touching
them a dolphin
Oh,
I don't know
yeah.
why.
because this is the manatee, I mean the mammal
The
dolphin.
dolphin.
And it gets confused with the fish.
Yeah, I don't know
And
why. Why we call it dolphin? The fish doesn't do
Well,
the
it's
same.
always been that way. I'm a lot older than you.
What's that? What's that?
That's a
But
fish,
when we
Papa.
started recognizing
touch it.
flipper
Don't
in
move.
the
Leave it down.
Oh, so that was
1960s,
called first.
this was here.
Oh, okay.
Before we recognized this, and everybody knew what a dolphin was, and they knew that these are mammals like we are, and they breathe air. They didn't want to confuse people. This is the male, and the female has a head that goes this way. Right? This is the horn of the male,
Oh, okay.
and this is what
Interesting.
it looks like in the wild. If you went out to catch a sailfish out in the Atlantic Ocean on a charter boat, you could very well bring in a dolphin for dinner. But that's called mahi-mahi, and I'm not trying to confuse you. But we had to change the name on it.
And this one is this.
This is a trunk fish, exactly. Look at this
That's
armor.
really
Fish in
cool.
Jamaica.
And here's some information on that trunk fish. Can you read that?
I can't see. Mama, can you put me up?
Oh yeah, those are
Whoa. Look,
Feeding
guys,
frenzy.
look. A crab.
That's cool. Look at that thing.
Those are feeding frenzy.
Getting all the garbage? Good job.
Cut this down. I'm not still in this area. I saw you guys.
First one, your left hand on an animal with spine.
Micah's toes sticking out of the sock.
So this is a animal
Left hand.
activity. We're gonna do like 6 spins. We're gonna get another video.
He was right.
Sit down
He's
and
like his front left.
pull up a chair. There's some chairs over there too. There.
Okay,
Wait for a second.
we're all good? Okay, next one. Put your left foot on an animal that blends in.
This is all exposed off. A little bit of dirt.
Running through that.
Yeah.
They're playing Nature Twister. Looks fun.
Keep your,
It's left foot, so keep your hand where it was.
Something spiky. Something spiky.
Okay, next one. Put your left foot on an animal that's poisonous.
Jellyfish. Common. Jellyfish. Left foot. Left foot.
It's a poem that an editor named Merrick wrote many years ago. A wonderful bird is the pelican. His bill can hold more than his
Belly can.
belly can. And it's actually true. Because a pelican's stomach can hold about a gallon of food, but his bill can hold 3 gallons of food and water. The bill can stretch out so much. So there's about 9 different species of pelicans in the world. We have 2 here in the United States, the brown pelican and also the American white pelican. The American white pelican actually has a humongous wingspan, the biggest wingspan of any bird here in Florida. The American white pelican is migratory, while brown pelicans can be migratory. We also have a resident breeding population here all year round. Pelicans have, of course, the bill that can stretch. So
Don't get too close to the edge.
Yeah, see him? He's coming back. He's gonna attack us all.
Okay, go get some.